Ever wondered how to make your candy eating experience more exciting? Welcome to a world where your favorite sweets and treats unite in a symphony of flavors, textures, and colors. This isn't just about devouring candies straight from the packet. No, we're venturing into a realm where creativity meets confectionery, where your sweet tooth gets to explore and experiment. We're talking about candy salads. Imagine a bowl brimming with a medley of your favorite candies, all mixed together. It's a feast for the eyes before it's even a feast for the taste buds. This isn't just a bowl of candies. It's a canvas where you get to paint with flavors. It's a playground where your favorite chocolates, gummies, lollipops, and mints frolic together. Candy salads are all about bending the rules, tossing aside the mundane, and embarking on a culinary adventure. They're a celebration of sweetness, a tribute to treats, a parade of pleasure. And the best part, there are no rules. You're the artist, the chef, the magician who gets to decide what goes into your candy salad. You get to choose the flavors, the textures, the colors. Whether you're a fan of chocolate or more of a gummy bear aficionado, whether you love the crunch of hard candies or the melt-in-your-mouth magic of marshmallows, there's a candy salad recipe waiting for you. And today, we're going to explore 5 insane candy salad recipes that will make your sweet tooth sing. So get ready for a journey into the heart of sweetness, a trip into the land of lusciousness. This isn't just about tasting candies, it's about experiencing them in a whole new way. It's about the joy of creation, the thrill of exploration, the delight of discovery. Prepare your taste buds for a sugar rush like no other. Number 1, the classic candy salad. Starting off with a classic, here's how you can create your very own candy salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. This candy salad is a celebration of variety, so feel free to mix and match your favorite sweets. Small candies like jelly beans, gummy bears, or M&Ms are great choices. For a bit of nostalgia, why not toss in some classic candy bars too? Just remember to chop them into bite-sized pieces. Now on to the assembly. Start by pouring your small candies into a large bowl. This is the base of your candy salad, so make sure it's colorful and fun. Next, sprinkle in those chopped up candy bars. They'll add a delightful crunch and richness to every bite. Once your candy is mixed, it's time for the pièce de résistance, the chocolate sauce. Drizzle it generously over your candy mix, ensuring every piece gets a touch of that heavenly chocolatey goodness. If you're feeling adventurous, why not go for a mix of dark and milk chocolate sauces? The contrast in flavors will add an exciting twist to your candy salad. Now, give your salad a good mix. You want to make sure that every piece of candy is coated with that delicious chocolate sauce. But be gentle. You don't want to crush those delicate candies. Finally, for a pop of color and an extra dose of sweetness, garnish your candy salad with a handful of M&Ms. Their hard shell will provide a delightful contrast to the soft candies and gooey chocolate sauce in your salad. Remember, the beauty of this candy salad lies in its flexibility. Don't like gummy bears? Swap them out for marshmallows. Not a fan of chocolate bars? Try some caramel candies instead. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to get creative. And there you have it, a simple yet delicious candy salad. Number 2, the vegan candy salad. For our vegan friends, we have a salad that's just as sweet and satisfying. Now, the trick to a vegan candy salad is all about choosing the right goodies. And trust me, there's a whole world of vegan-friendly candies out there just waiting to be discovered. From gummy bears to hard candies, and yes, even chocolate, you can find vegan versions of all your favorite treats. Just make sure to check the labels for any hidden animal products like gelatin or milk derivatives. So, let's dive into our vegan candy salad. First, we'll need a variety of vegan candies. It's all about mixing and matching flavors and textures to create a truly unique experience. Think tangy sour belts, chewy fruit gummies, and sweet hard candies. And let's not forget about vegan chocolate. There are plenty of brands out there offering rich, creamy chocolate that's completely plant-based. Now onto the sauce. Traditional chocolate sauce often contains milk, but don't worry, we've got you covered. You can easily make your own vegan chocolate sauce at home with just a few simple ingredients. Cocoa powder, a sweetener like agave nectar or maple syrup, and a plant-based milk. Heat everything gently in a saucepan until it becomes a smooth, velvety sauce. And there you have it, a vegan candy salad that's as indulgent as it is compassionate. This is a treat that truly everyone can enjoy. Don't be afraid to get creative with it. Try adding some vegan marshmallows or sprinkles for an extra touch of fun. Who said vegan treats can't be fun and tasty? Number 3, the healthy candy salad. Craving something sweet but want to keep things on the healthier side? We've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of healthy candy salads, where indulgence meets nutrition. Imagine a dish that brings together the fun of candies, but with a healthy twist. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The secret lies in choosing the right ingredients. First, let's talk about the candy. You might be wondering, can candy really be healthy? The answer is yes, thanks to innovative companies like Harkin Sweets. Founded by a Harvard Business School graduate, Harkin Sweets has created a line of all-natural, plant-based candy bars that are not just delicious, but also packed with fiber. This alone transforms our candy salad from a sugar bomb into a fiber-rich treat. Now let's touch on the sauce. Instead of the traditional chocolate syrup, why not opt for healthier alternatives? You could try a blend of natural cocoa powder and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Or for a more adventurous flavor, a homemade caramel sauce made from dates could be a delightful choice. And remember, it's not just about what you add, but also what you leave out. Avoid candies with artificial colors and flavors. Look for those made with natural sweeteners instead of high fructose corn syrup. So there you have it, a candy salad that doesn't need to be a guilty pleasure. It's fun, it's sweet, it's satisfying, and above all, it's healthier. You can enjoy your sweets and still keep things light and nutritious. Don't be afraid to experiment with different healthy candies and sauces. The beauty of this candy salad lies in its versatility. You can customize it to suit your taste buds and dietary preferences. A candy salad that's both sweet and healthy, a win-win situation. Number 4, the gourmet candy salad. If you're feeling a bit fancy, why not elevate your candy salad with some gourmet touches? When it comes to creating a gourmet candy salad, it's all about indulging in the finer things in life. This is not just a bowl of candies, it's an experience that tantalizes your taste buds with a symphony of decadent flavors and textures. Start your gourmet journey with some high-end chocolates. Think Swiss or Belgian chocolates, known for their smooth and rich flavors. Dark chocolate is a fantastic choice as it adds depth and a touch of bitterness that counterbalances the sweetness of other candies. Next, consider adding some gourmet candies. Perhaps some artisanal caramels with their luxurious buttery sweetness, or some handmade truffles, each one a little gem of chocolate heaven. And don't forget about gourmet marshmallows. These are a far cry from your typical store-bought variety, offering a fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth texture that pairs beautifully with the crunch of other candies. A touch of elegance can also come from incorporating some gourmet pears. These sweet and juicy fruits add a refreshing natural sweetness that provides a wonderful contrast to the rich chocolates and candies. Finally, a drizzle of high-quality chocolate syrup can be the perfect finishing touch. This adds an extra layer of chocolatey goodness and gives your gourmet candy salad a beautiful, glossy finish. This upgraded version of candy salad is not just about the taste, but also the experience. The joy of savoring each piece, the surprise of discovering different flavors and textures, and the sheer delight of indulging in such a luxurious treat. So don't be afraid to push the boundaries and experiment with different gourmet ingredients. Remember, the world of candy salad is only limited by your imagination and your taste buds. Who knew candy salad could be so sophisticated? Number 5, the party candy salad. Last but not least, let's create a candy salad that's perfect for parties. If you're looking to wow your guests with a dessert that's as visually appealing as it is delicious, then the party candy salad is your ticket to becoming the talk of the town. Imagine a bowl brimming with a riot of colors, textures, and flavors. This is not just a candy salad, it's a spectacle, a conversation starter, an irresistible, sugar-coated centerpiece that demands attention. It's a feast for the eyes before it even touches your taste buds. To start, choose candies that are not only tasty but also visually appealing. Think bright colors, interesting shapes, and varying sizes. Gummy bears, Skittles, M&Ms, and rainbow sprinkles are all excellent choices. But don't stop there. Throw in some fun-sized Snickers, Twix bars, and miniature Reese's cups for an added chocolatey punch. Now, let's add a touch of whimsy. How about some candy necklaces or ring pops? Not only do they add a fun aesthetic element to the salad, but they also double as party favors for your guests to take home. Next, let's talk about presentation. You'll want a large, clear serving bowl to showcase the vibrant colors and shapes of your candy selection. Layer the candies in the bowl, creating a patchwork of colors and textures. Don't be afraid to mix and match. The beauty of the party candy salad lies in its chaos. Once your candy salad is assembled, drizzle it with a generous helping of chocolate sauce. The sauce acts as a unifying element, tying together the diverse flavors and textures in your candy salad. It also adds a touch of sophistication to this playful dessert. The party candy salad is a versatile dessert that can be tailored to any occasion. Whether you're hosting a kid's birthday party, a Halloween bash, or a sophisticated soiree, there's a version of the party candy salad that's just right for your event. So next time you're brainstorming dessert ideas for your party, why not take a walk on the wild side and try the party candy salad? It's a sweet, playful, and unforgettable way to end a meal. This party candy salad is sure to be a hit at your next gathering. So there you have it, 5 incredible candy salad recipes that are sure to transform your candy eating experience. Let's take a moment to revisit each of these mouth-watering concoctions, shall we? We kicked off our sweet journey with the classic candy salad. This was a riotous celebration of all things sweet and colorful, combining a variety of small candies, candy bars, and a generous drizzle of chocolate sauce. It's a nostalgic trip down memory lane, reminding us of the simple joy of indulging in our favorite childhood treats. Next, we catered to our vegan friends with the vegan candy salad. This recipe showed us that even without dairy or gelatin, we can still enjoy a delicious medley of sweets. By incorporating vegan-friendly alternatives like vegan bonbons and mochi, this salad shatters the myth that vegan treats are any less fun or flavorful. Our third stop was the healthy candy salad, inspired by the innovative efforts of Harkin Sweets. Proving that candy doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure, we used all-natural, plant-based ingredients to create a sweet treat that's high in fiber and full of flavor. Then we ventured into the realm of luxury with the gourmet candy salad. Here we took a leaf out of the book of gourmet pears and Parmigiano Reggiano, using high-end candies and a dash of culinary creativity to create a salad that's as sophisticated as it is sweet. Finally, we ended on a high note with the party candy salad. This was all about creating a show-stopping centerpiece for your next gathering, incorporating colorful candies and a playful garnish of M&Ms to ensure your dessert will be the talk of the party. Remember, the beauty of candy salad lies in its flexibility, so feel free to experiment and create your own sweet masterpiece. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous, happy candy salad making.